My name is Patrick. I'm basically here to record a video on how to create a good reading habit, which is very important for the CAT and other entrance exams. So, why reading is important as far as CAT is concerned? Maximum weightage in the exam is for RCs. So, when there is a 3 hours paper, 1 hour for verbal, so 24 out of 100 questions in the whole exam is only reading comprehension, maximum weightage. And accuracy in other verbal questions also depends on a good reading habit. So if you have a good reading habit, it will definitely helps you for the other verbal questions which are there. So automatically it becomes really important as far as reading is concerned. Not only in verbal section, but I've seen a lot of places where people take a lot of time to comprehend DLR and con questions. And one reason is, being poor in reading. So if you're good at reading, it may somehow directly also help you in understanding the logical questions as well as con questions and understand them well and quickly. So how to create a good reading habit? It's important to start reading something that you find interesting, because only if you find it interesting will you want to read it more and more. If not, then you will not want to. So always start with reading something which you find interesting. Okay, keep a fixed time. Note down the time for which you read every day and write a few lines of what you have read. So these are 4 points. Let's elaborate on that. When you talk about something that is interesting, it could be anything. It could be hobby. So maybe you like something on arts. Maybe you like something on cooking. There's some collection like philately or some other collection that you do. Something that you like. Maybe you can read on that. Somewhere this may also help you in your interview stage later on if you have a good hobby at place. Same way, it could be area of interest. Maybe I like stock markets. I like IT or gadgets. It may be related to your work. So when you're working, something related to your work also could be reading. Short stories, there are a lot of books, short stories which are there. Pick up those and start reading. A longer story may take me a little boredom to start with. Maybe a short story you can start with and then move on to longer novels. Possible. If you're a fan of sports, you like cricket, you like football, read about it. Okay. Same with news, same with history or anything. I'm just giving you a few pointers out here, but it could be anything that you like. You like travel, you like tourism, you like maybe luxury items, you are fond of something, read about it. So that could help you to develop interest in reading. So read about areas that you love, you enjoy, and that is one step or the first step to making a good reading habit. Second important parameter is keep a fixed reading time. Mainly in the morning or night, because normally in the daytime our schedule goes haywire. But if I get up in the morning, the first thing I'll do is read an article and do it every day. Automatically it creates a habit. Or night just before sleeping I read one article. Creates a habit. So maybe in the morning or night create a habit of reading. Ensure that you don't skip it. Ensure that you create a habit by reading it regularly. Okay? Because once you do it regularly, there is some 21-day rule where if you do a thing for 21 days, you create a habit of it. Basically, when you redo same thing for regularly for every day, you automatically create a habit. It's sort of your biological clock. Your biological clock is normally used to the habit, and then you tend to keep on doing it regularly. So ensure you create the habit for a few days, and then automatically the habit will continue. One more thing that you can do to create a habit is note down the time. What happens is record keeping normally motivates maybe to follow activity. You'd want to keep that record regularly. That's what motivates me. It could be different motivation for you. See what motivates you and see how you can use it to create a reading habit. So maybe I can note down the time that I take to read every day. It also ensures that I read at least that much every day. So if I say half an hour, I'll note down that half an hour every day. So I want to see written down that half an hour every day in my book. So ensure that you read for that much time. Also, maybe if you write few lines on what you have read in a book, it could help. Later on, maybe in the interviews, it will help to build your thinking process, because whatever you have read, when you write it down, it helps to build the thinking process of what you have read. It develops interest in the topic. Okay, because you have more knowledge, you want to read more, you write it down, and you want to see what I can read more. Develop sort of interest. And as I said, may help you later in the interview stage. When you go for the interview, having a good hobby becomes a big plus point, or anything that you can talk about can be a big plus point in the interview, right? So follow this. I'm hopefully sure that it will help you to create a good reading habit, which is the basic foundation to create a good score in the CAT exam. Thank you.